Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 169, majority element. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n, like half of the times basically. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. So we do have an assurity that there's gonna be a solution, and in this case 2 is the majority element because half of the elements is gonna be 3, uh, and so it is more than 3 times, so that's why it's gonna be the majority element. Yes. Okay. So for this one, we're gonna say that basically we're gonna iterate through the array, and every single time we're gonna start with that the first one is our candidate, and we're gonna keep incrementing the counter if we see our candidate. Otherwise, we're gonna, once we reach 0, we're gonna, if we don't see it, we're gonna decrease the counter, and if our counter reaches 0, we're gonna change our candidate. So candidate at the beginning is gonna be the first element, and the count is gonna be equal to 0. Okay, and then for num in nums, we're gonna say that if the num is equal to candidate, then in that case we're gonna increment the counter. Otherwise, we're gonna say that else if the count is is equal to 0, we're gonna change the candidate is equal to num, and also we're gonna say that the count is gonna start from 1. Else we are going to just decrement the counter. I'm gonna come out of that and return our candidate. That is good. Let's see. Yep, it does work.